comes an electronically driven wall out of the Ram van, Ranger shelving. Each wall can hold 500 pounds after the shelving, so you got 500 pounds per wall.
Nice.
Works also with our Cargo Glide floor slide units. This unit can hold 1,000 pounds fully extended.
Nice.
So this could be
a workbench.
Yeah, workbench, haul your generators, haul your buckets of tools. Right.
Ladder right side there.
Meanwhile, you have your ceiling slide rail that you can hang ladders from, or any other things you can imagine.
Overhead. You got the pipe right.
Yeah. There's an overhead canopy that goes over both shelving, and that is an option. So the worker can stay in here completely out of the sun or out of the weather and get to all the shelving while he's working on his project.
That's nice.
But what important thing is we just completed is the fact that your worker never climbs in the vehicle. It means he never trips, never falls.
True.
You know, he doesn't get up here with his tool bag and climb inside. All of it comes out to him. Now, how much safer is that?
Right.
How much more organized is he going to be because of it? And then at the end of the day, he's saving time.
Absolutely.
So productivity is going to go up on the job. And that's what all of our ROI reports are coming back. They save an hour a day. You know, so this is a manual wall if you don't want to pony up for the electric wall.
Okay, good. You get that option. Yep.
Yep. So you come here, easily get to our
Now these shelves are all, you can put this type of unit in there, or you can put dividers or anything customized?
So the wall slide in and of itself is just this wall. So
okay.
You can attach any shelving you want to it, or maybe you need to come up, maybe you have a custom business, maybe you're hanging pictures. It doesn't matter. You can hang whatever you want to. Yeah.
Awesome. And then you've got this crane system on the side.
So we have, this is brand new. We just released this last month. We have a gantry crane.
That was very cool.
So if you've ever worked at HVAC, you know that when you get to the job site, this is a 2-3 man job. And the unfortunate thing is you pay 2 or 3 guys to go out just to lift this up and set it down.
Right.
And those guys have to come off other jobs. It costs the HVAC company tons of money just for this. Well, now you can send one guy.
Yeah.
And so he can come out, pick this up, put it down, put it actually to the pad, drive it, you know, or put it on the pallet and roll it out.
Yep.
And he's in and out. And or, you know, you can also lift other things as well. But our 2 owners right there, they're not just idea guys. They lived and breathed this. They worked out of a van for years and years and years, and they were like, enough of this. Got a little bit older, and was like, we're going to design something so we don't have to do this anymore. So he was a licensed HVAC guy. This is his brainchild.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's fun to watch the HVAC companies come out there like, oh my God, yes, you built this just for me. Yes, we did actually.
This is wall slide.
Yeah, yeah. So the gantry crane hangs from a wall slide framework. Once you have the framework in there, you can just start bolting things to it, whether it's the walls, 1 wall, 2 walls. You can actually have a 3rd wall. I'll tell you, we don't have it in here. The gantry crane's in the way. If you didn't have that, you could have a 3rd wall come out right here. It's a 4-foot wall.
Oh, wow.
So you could have 3 sets of shelving.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah. Many different things you can do. We have a side cargo glide that comes out as well.
Yep.
You could utilize that. You could bolt shelving to that as well.
Nice.
So, you know.
And this is on a ProMaster.
This is
looks
on a
like.
ProMaster.
Nice.
This is the 136 high roof.
Yep.
Last week we just developed this. We're trying to utilize all the space we can, and we developed. Let me lower this and show you what we developed.
You got your tanks on this side too.
So this is on
See that before.
This is on a remote. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, there it goes. All right. So, for all those pesky paint cans, we put this behind the framework. We can put this on either side.
Nice.
And so it's built something like 40
your nozzles and all your little transformers or whatever you got.
Capacity, that's a couple hundred pounds.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for the demo.
That is the demo.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.